Hey guys, so I'm going to be cooking, I would say a vegan dish. Okay, so right here, I just put in the chopper, onion, tomato, celery, and a small piece of a bell pepper. I'm just trying to see how this dish is gonna be. It's not a recipe, I'm just throwing stuff together. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I created, stay tuned. And I've got some cauliflower and some broccoli. Hey sister, what's going on? Behave. Hey. Okay, so I'm just just frying this, trying to get the water out because the tomato, it was kind of watery, so I'm just trying to let that cook for a bit. So I'm gonna be cooking with this curry, some paprika. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna put these spices in there and some turmeric, okay? I'm just gonna scoop out some of this like that. Okay, we got that. Put a little bit in there, like a spoon. Okay, I got some curry. I'm gonna put some of this coconut milk in there. Let's do that. Okay. I'm gonna just put a little bit more of the coconut milk. Just sprinkle some cinnamon. Okay, I'm putting some cumin in there as well. I just I'm not measuring, I'm just throwing it in just to see how it's gonna taste. Got some pepper. Put the cauliflower and some of the, I just put a little bit broccoli to give it some color. And then I'm gonna let the cauliflower cook real quick. And I'm gonna add some salt as well. Okay, so I'm gonna also put some tofu and, oops. I'm just cooking down the cauliflower. It's kind of tasty. I tasted the sauce. It's kind of good. Alrighty, so just waiting for, I'm cooking the cauliflower more. It's not too bad, guys. It tastes good. So I guess you just do the seasoning to your liking. And I'm just gonna let it cook for a little bit more. Okay, so I finished it. I've got to film the rest. But Keanu tasted it. He said it's a go. It's good. And I'm gonna top it off with this rice for my lunch tomorrow. Yeah, it tastes good. I like it. I thought, you know, I wouldn't like the coconut milk, but you can hardly taste it. So that's a good one for me. Okay guys, thanks for watching.